Welcome to VRIC 2024 From the Floor. I am here with Roque. He's from Cassiar Gold. Nice to have you again.
Pleasure to be here. Thanks for having me.
Well, let's just talk about the market position right now for Cassiar Gold. What can you tell me?
Yeah, so in the last couple of years, we've been doing a lot of drilling. We drilled roughly just under 40,000 meters since our resource in early 2022. We've actually drilled roughly 117 drill holes, of which we only missed mineralization above cutoff grade in significant widths in 2 out of 117. So we've been expanding both the bulk tonnage deposit around Torres, the nearby targets like East Torres, as well as Wings Canyon. We also just released some results from New Coast. But it's we haven't really been seeing that reflected on the share price. It's been a couple of years bear markets. There's some investor indifference, but I think we're on the brink of an inflection point in the gold space. At least the gold price is doing well, but the miners are really trading at a discount to the gold price. So hopefully we can see that turning around soon.
And what excites you the most right now when you think about what Cassiar is up to?
Well, it's so many things. We have the Torres deposit. We've been expanding laterally at depth, as well as internal to the pit shell. We've been keep on expanding mineralization, which is great. So that's growing. We don't know how big it's going to get. It remains unconstrained. Mineralization there is approaching areas like Wings Canyon, which is 500 meters to the southeast, or Torres East as well. We've had actually quite a bit of success at New Coast. As I mentioned, we drilled 6 drill holes there. The highlight there was 95 meters at 0.9 grams per ton. So that's a pretty exciting new zone that seems to be emerging. So the whole system seems to be growing. We're opening more and more areas for exploration, and we also been having quite a bit of success at the Cassiar South high-grade underground veins, which we've been extending those veins very, very successfully. And that's also a mine permit area, similar as Torres. We also have a mine attack permit there. And we also have all the necessary infrastructure for the Cassiar South. We have the full union permitted mill. We have the portals, the underground working. So it's a very unique project with a lot of ways to continue to grow. So it's pretty exciting. And, now we're just looking for a market where, people can get really excited and, behind these like gold mining stories as well.
And let's shift just to the market, the gold market. What is your expectation for gold in 2024? What do you think?
Well, I think it's going to go higher. I think, 2023, gold did a modest performance, just over 10%. It's kind of doing its job. I would hope and expect it to be a little bit higher, especially given the geopolitical environment, the level of debt, deglobalization, so inflation. So, I think we also had, and this is a bit of a justification why gold maybe didn't take off so much, and especially the gold mining equities didn't move so much, was because we have this very rapid increasing interest rates, one of the most aggressive rate hike cycles in history, really. And that actually put, a dampening effect especially into the equities. So I think now the market is discounting several rate cuts for 2024. Gold is already past 2,000, and we really don't know when the first rate's going to come. There's some people talking about March, some people talking about May, but I think as soon as we start seeing the first cuts, I think the floodgates for the market will be open. So that should really take gold into new all-time highs, and hopefully get the gold mining equities not only to a fair valuation, but hopefully into a mania that it's been missing for a long time.
We are going to wait for the mania.
I'm looking for that as well.
All right. Thank you so much. From the floor at VRIC 2024, I'm Karina Robertson.